Welcome back, Kevin's Mobile Repair. 2017 Dodge Challenger. We had this one where it was customer requested to have belt only. It was just a belt, and so you can see my segment to why it was not just a belt. But we are here doing the alternator today. Here is the carnage from said alternator. So this pulley is coming off. I bet you if I mess with it enough, that whole thing will come right off. But that is the main problem. So we're putting this new alternator in. You can get to all the bolts from up top, no problem. 213s up top, 113 on the bottom. Now that alternator power stud is in a very particular position to get when it's still hooked up. Not so easy. That's what it is. I took it, dropped it down here, and then you get to it easy with wrench, whatever. Make it a whole lot easier when it's over here and out of the way. So it does need to come down from the bottom. So jack the car up, foot or whatever like that, drop it out the bottom, put the new one back in, and then bolt it up this way, and you can physically attach it to the car a lot easier up top. Also make sure you disconnect your battery first. You don't want to be Mr. Sparky, because that is going to be direct 12-volt battery supply with all the amps and cause a problem. But basically just mounts here to the side. It's 3.6 motor. Most 3.6s, 3.5s are going to be roughly the same setup. 3.5 a little different, but 3.6 most are going to be the same. Any questions, comments, please let me know. Please like and subscribe.